Hi students, today I am doing the topic measurement of angles. Here we have to discuss about what do you mean by angle. Angle means we know that if a ray rotates from one place to another place, then we say that it is said to be an angle. Angle is a measure of rotation of a given ray about its initial point. The original ray is called initial side. Here this is the ray. The ray OA rotates from the position OA to OB. OA to OB. So here the ray OA is called initial side and the ray OB is called terminal side. And the final position of the ray after rotation is called the terminal side of the angle. The point of rotation is called the vertex. Here this point is said to be vertex. So whenever we have a ray OA rotates from this place to this place, then we say that this is said to be an angle. Now here this point is said to be vertex and this is the revolving line. Here this point, this OA is said to be initial side and OB is called terminal side. Now here the ray OA rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Since the ray OA rotates in the anti-clockwise direction, we say that it is said to be positive angle. So whenever the ray rotates in the anti-clockwise direction, we say that the angle is always positive. Suppose if the ray OA rotates in the clockwise direction, see this is the clockwise direction, then we say that in this case the angle is said to be negative. So here if you have this is OA and if it rotates, then we say that this is said to be 30 degrees, and if the ray rotates in the clockwise direction, then we say that it is said to be minus 30 degrees, but while denoting here we take it as 30 degrees, but it is minus 30 degrees, it is plus 30 degrees. There are three systems to measure angles. First one is we are having sexagesimal system, which is also called degree measure. Next, centesimal system, grade measure. Third one, circular system, radian measure. Now we discuss about sexagesimal system. In this system, a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. We know that right angle means if the angle between these two rays is 90 degrees, then we say that it's called right angle. If a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, then we say that each part is said to be 1 degree. So one right angle equal to here we are having 90 degrees. So if it is divided into 90 equal parts, then we say that that is said to be 1 degree. Now each degree is divided into 1 degree is always equal to 60 minutes. Each degree is divided into 60 equal parts. So each part is said to be 1 minute. Similarly, each minute is divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is called 1 second. So in this hexadecimal system, one right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. One right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, so that we take it as one right angle equal to 90 degrees. And also each degree is divided into 60 equal parts. So 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Now each minute is divided into 60 equal parts. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So the definition of a degree is here, if a rotation from the initial side to the terminal side is 1 by 360th of a 1 by 360th of a complete revolution, then the angle is said to be degree. So here in the degree measure we have one right angle equal to 90 degrees, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now we will come to grade measure. Centesimal system. Now in this centesimal system, a right angle is divided into, this is OA and this is OB. We are having angle AOB equal to 90 degrees. Now in this system, a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. So one right angle equal to this is divided into 100 equal parts, so that one right angle equal to 100 grades. Now each grade is divided into 100 equal parts. So one grade equal to 100 minutes. So that each part is called minute. Minute is denoted by this one. Grades, one grade is denoted by this one. Now each minute is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called 1 second. So that in the grade measure we have one right angle equal to 100 grades, one grade equal to 100 minutes, 1 minute equal to 100 seconds. Now from these two we can verify that here one right angle equal to 90 degrees, here one right angle equal to 100 grades, so that from these two we can write it as 90 degrees equal to 100 grades.